May mahal na mahal ka ng madlang Pilipino. Bakit sa palagay mo mahal na mahal ka nila?
I think they really find me as someone who is relatable.
Yeah.
That queens don't have to be put on a pedestal just to be able for them to inspire others. So I think I'm a perfect representation of what really a Filipina is.
Oo, not only you as a beauty queen, prototype, ikaw rin dahil sabi mo ka relatable sa masang Pilipino.
Yes.
That's why everybody likes you.
Thank you. I'd like to claim that they like me, and it's very heartwarming to know that the Filipino people accepts you for who you are. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to put up a facade. And I think that is something that is rare now. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya magpakatotoo.
At lahat man mga batuhan mo ng salita, matalino, with sense, and also very funny, I think. That's not only that, for na-catch mo talaga yung heart ng every Filipinos, but not that only. Of course, you'll be catching our hearts through getting the crown, of course.
Sana, hopefully, masuportahan po tayo ng mga kapwa natin Pilipinas sa darating na November 5 in Okada, Manila, the Cove po yan, the coronation night of the Silver Lining edition of Miss Earth. I'm so excited, hoping for the 5th crown of the Philippines.
Yeah. Speaking of support, you have to call out the Filipino people to support you para sa online votes. I think you're now number 4 on the rank, and we really have to be on the number 1.
Thank you very much. Of course, I'd like to be catapulted to top 1 for our Top People's Choice Award because that will bring me to the top 25 automatically. Pero alam naman po natin, the Filipino people don't want to spend for something that is unnecessary. I love to get your support. Your shares, your likes, your comments are enough for me. But if you have money to spare, please do vote for me. Pero ngayon sa dami na nararanasan natin kalamidad, please do support other organizations, other animal organizations. If you guys would like to help those who were affected by the calamities, mas matatanggap ko po yun, mas magugustuhan ko po yun. So please do vote me. May free votes naman po ang Miss Earth.
Sabi mo nga sa kanila, gusto nyo ng corona, pero walang boto.
Oo nga, corona gusto, boto ayaw.
Nakakainis kayo dyan. But I think the Filipinos can support you. We love you so much. I love the outfit. What's the inspiration of the outfit?
Of course, we're going for Philippine symbol. So gusto namin yung kalabaw. Pero this time, kasi we're doing the Green Leaders in Action. Gusto namin somehow representative of a Filipina na matapang, ready, game kahit saan. So, Boy Scout inspired with the kalabaw symbol.
I love the outfits. Yung mga OOTD mo and also the Agila one. Grabe, pinaghandang-handa ka, Joy. We're also handa for you all praying and manifesting for the 5th crown. Thank you so much, Joy!
At parang ikaw ang winner ng Beauty of Face today.
Go, Mika.
Yes, Bongga. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Love you.